Free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage extension on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There are plenty of great features you can take advantage of on Safari. One of them, like other browser, is the ability to install extension. These handy tools can help you do more when using Safari. Extension can be anything from tab server to shopping helpers to ad blocker, and you can also add manage extension on your MacBook. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our system preferences on your MacBook, and you'll find there is an option extensions. You can just click on that, and in here you can add extension, and you can see in here two actions of extension for the photo editing, for shared menu, and finder. From here, maybe you want to remove extension on your action on the markup. You can just remove the checklist in here, and also for the photo editing. And on the share menu, you can just choose. Maybe you want to add airdrop for the share menu on your MacBook. You can just click on airdrop, or Telegram. You can just choose on Telegram. So the Telegram will be appear when you want to share something like files, documents, voice memos on your MacBook. You can share with Telegram. It's a simple, right? Also for the Finder. So here's the place, the sections where you can manage your extensions on your MacBook. So you can customize your Mac with extension from Apple and software you have installed. So that is how to manage extension on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.